boiler we had before was small in capacity. It wasn't generating enough heat to heat all the radiators, so we particularly felt cold quite often, even though the heating was on full. But for me the biggest issue was the water pressure. The old boiler was not giving the water pressure we needed, so we had trickles of water coming out of showers and taps. A couple of them were not actually working properly at all. I started doing some research because I wanted to change the boiler type from being one with all the cylinders and all the pipes and the pumps to a combi, which I was more familiar with. So a bit of research to see whether we could do that and what was involved, and Boiler Hut's website came to the top of the list with the most detailed information. It seemed to instill a lot of confidence and the idea that you actually knew what you were talking about. What made me happiest working with Boiler Hut was the overall service. We were treated as a decent customer, we were treated as human beings rather than just a statistic, and the product we've got at the end is absolutely fantastic.